ZOOMLINE 1-trailer portable mobile asphalt mixing plant is designed based on our existing products: stationary drum asphalt plant and semi-mobile asphalt plant. It features mature design technology, and the frame axle are customized in professional vehicle manufacturers. Up to now, our 1-trailer mounted continuous asphalt mixing plant has been exported to Europe, Africa, North America, etc. ZOOMLINE mobile asphalt plants is easily transported. The main advantages include flexible layout, easily transportation by sea or land, quickly assembly and disassembly, no foundation is necessary, suitable for quick works or maintenance for urban areas. ZOOMLINE strictly adheres to international transport codes when developing mobile plants to make border crossing efficient. The result is highly mobile plants with production capacity of 20 to 120 tons per hour. Called feeders with belt scale. The amount of feeders can be decided by customers. Dryer drum with burner. The burners and dryers are adaptable to multiple ZOOMLINE plant types and built for easy operation. A wide range of fuels is available. Backhouse Filter. ZOOMLINE adopts non-max filter bags, offering high temperature resistance. Improved thermal insulation contributes to the plant's efficiency. Bitumen Tank. The directly heating tank is mounted on the chassis. An individual bitumen tank is also available. Control system. Both auto and manual control is available. The control desk includes all the operation buttons and all the meter displays and protection functions. It features the comprehensive system functionality. Quick and easy to learn and safe to operate. Scrapper-type elevator and finished storage hopper. The discharge end is equipped with a temperature sensor. Fuel oil tank. The fuel tank is also mounted on the chassis. A bigger and individual tank is also available. More options such as bitumen and fuel tanks, imported fuel addition, reclaimed fuel addition, and recycling solutions upon request. ZOOMLINE technicians are ready to assist you in emergency situations 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. A customized plan is available to you. Our after-sales team will follow up the whole process: transport, foundation treatment, installation, debugging, staff training, technical support, spare parts supply, up to purchased, whether our whole asphalt plants or just auxiliary. We would supply regular technical support and training according to the actual situation of our asphalt mixing plant. Whenever there's any accidental technical problem, it could be feedback to our engineers at the first time. Whenever you need technical support on the construction site or purchase ZOOMLINE plants and accessories, we will serve you wholeheartedly.